In this video, we will learn how to add Trackocity's UTM parameters in your Google Ads. So I'm on the integration page of Trackocity, and when you click on Google Ads Connect, you will find the URL parameter for Google here. I'll just click on copy and copy the code and go to Google Ads account. Now I will start adding the code on the ad group level in my different type of campaigns. So I'll start with the video campaign. I'll click on it. I'll go to the ad group level. There are four ad groups that we have right now. I'll go to the right side. If you don't already have tracking template column selected, click on columns, click on edit, and search for tracking template. You will find the tracking template column, and you will find it here. After you have added it, click on save and apply, and you will find the tracking template column here, right? So if you already have a UTM parameter in place, right? If you already have it, like this ad group that I have here is already has the UTM parameters, right? So in that case, just click on edit, and after your last word or last bracket or last section of your UTM parameter, just add an ampersand and paste the UTM parameter of Trackocity. So now you can see I have added an ampersand and added the UTM parameter of Trackocity and click on save. This way it will add Trackocity's tracking UTM parameters in this ad group. As you can see, I've already added Trackocity's UTM parameters in all the other ad groups, right? So now what if you don't have UTM parameter in place, right? So as you can see in this ad group, I don't have my UTM parameters in place for for anything, right? So how do I add Trackocity's UTM parameter in this? So to do that, just edit this section tracking template and type this code curly brackets lp url, right? uh, Close the curly bracket, add a question mark, and then paste the UTM parameter from Trackocity, right? And just hit save. This way it has saved the tracking template of of Trackocity here, right? So these are the two ways that you can add UTM parameter of Trackocity in your ad group level in your video campaigns. Now let's come to the PMAX campaigns, right? So in PMAX, there is a slight difference because PMAX doesn't have ad groups; it has asset groups, right? And in asset group, you cannot add any UTM parameters, right? So in that case, you have to add it in campaign level. So while you are on the campaign level in PMAX, click on campaign settings, right? And scroll down, click on additional settings, and you will find campaign URL options. And here, as you can see, I've already added a UTM parameter, but if you don't have a UTM parameter, you can just add this code lp url under curly brackets and a question mark, and after that just paste your UTM parameters from Trackocity. What does this mean, lp url? It means landing page URL under curly brackets, so it can track your landing page with this code as a UTM parameter, and just hit save, right? After you hit save, it will start capturing the data from Google Ads. I'm not gonna hit save because I already have UTM parameters in place, right? So that's how we do it in PMAX campaign. Remember, you don't have ad groups in PMAX campaign, so you have to add the tracking template on the campaign level. Now let's go to the search campaigns, right? So this is my search campaign. uh, Same as video campaigns, we will add the UTM parameter of Trackocity on ad group level. As you can see here, if you already have a UTM parameter, just add an on person and paste the Trackocity's UTM parameter. And if you don't have it, just type curly bracket open lp url close curly brackets question mark, and then paste the code from Trackocity, right? So that's how you add your Trackocity's UTM parameter in all your Google Ads campaign.